Hi everyone. Now we'll learn fourth social studies lesson 1 Northern Mountains. The topic is Northern Mountains. Let's start. So in this lesson we'll learn about that Northern Mountains, Trans Himalayan Range, Purvanchal Range, life in the mountain area or mountain region, and importance of the Himalayas. So we can see that there is a one puzzle for you. Let's do it. Read the following clues and answer the question that follows. So you know it is a mountain. So who am I? So there are questions you have to read the question and answer. First point is that I am the highest peak of the world. So you have to write the highest peak of the world here in your textbook. Second point is that I am located in the Nepal. Whatever that mountain range located in the Nepal, you have to write there. And third, river Ganga originates here, means what is the point or the place from where river Ganga originates, you have to write here. So it is your activity, you have to do it self. So northern mountains, what is the northern and what is the mountain? The part of the India at the north side that has the mountain. So the mountain present in the North India, they are called as northern mountains. Understand? The northern mountain include two important ranges of mountain. One, that is the Himalayas, and second is that Karakoram mountain ranges. Everybody understand? So what is include in the northern mountain ranges? That include the two ranges. One, the Himalayan ranges, and second, the Karakoram mountain ranges. So these mountain ranges are stretched from the northern boundary of India. Means you can see that there is a northern part of India, that is Jammu Kashmir, UP, then Arunachal Pradesh. So at that side, these mountains are located. So such mountains are called North mountains, and they include Himalayas and Karakoram mountain ranges. So what the next point is that Himalayan range. So we can understand that Himalayan range is the highest mountain range in the world. So understand everybody, dash is the highest mountain range in the world, means highest mountain series in the world. So that is Himalayan range. And what is meant by Himalaya? The abode of snow, means living place of snow, means where snow lies. You can know this is the mountain or hills on which what is spread? Snow. So that's why Himalaya means the abode of snow. Means you can see that on this mountain what is spread? Snow. Most of the Himalayan peaks remain covered with the snow throughout the year. You can see that this is the Himalayan peaks or mountains. So they always covered with the white icy substance, that is called snow. And these Himalayan ranges in the India stretch from, they are spread from Ladakh in the north and Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast. Understand? So Himalayan ranges are spread in India or stretch in India from Ladakh in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast. So remember it. Now we can understand that the Himalayan ranges consist three parallel ranges. One, Greater Himalayas, that is called Himadri. Second, Lesser Himalayas, that is called Himachal. Third is that Outer Himalayas, so that is called Shivalik. So mountain ranges are parallelly divided into three ranges. Greater Himalayas, Himadri. Himachal means Lesser Himalayas, and Shivalik means Outer Himalayas. So this is your achievement. So read this question and write the answer. First question is that what do you include in the northern mountain? You have to write what is included in the northern mountain. Second, name the three parallel ranges of Himalaya. You learn that three parallel ranges, wrote it. Third, dash is the highest mountain range in the world. And fourth is that the Himalayan ranges in India stretch from dash in the north to the dash in the northeast. Do it and learn it. Thank you.